Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Business. Let's talk about how to use your confidence thoughts and confidence beliefs to supersize and grow your business. One of the most powerful how to really engage and communicate and talk to and understand and attract your ideal clients uh, tactics or strategies that I learned when I came online. I didn't do any of this in the offline world. I guess I kind of did, but not in depth like we do now in our businesses and in my life. But one of the most powerful things you can do is use your ideal clients' language. And how we get at their language is understanding their thoughts and beliefs about the problem that they're having that our organization solves, and how we can speak to them in their own language to help them understand and solve that problem. And why it's so powerful, in my opinion, is because we eliminate objections up front, and we actually think through, well, how does our customer think about this? How do they see this? So we are better able to give them the experience they need, not just the experience in products and services we want to shove down their throats sometimes, which is never a good strategy, although a lot of organizations do it. So we want to identify their limiting beliefs. We want to identify our limiting beliefs and the limiting beliefs of our organization, because those are our areas of improvement, or those are things that we need to counteract when it comes to making business decisions and business choices. And we also want to use a tool, and this is how I go about doing this nowadays. We actually have workshops where we do this in our business, and I do it personally on a monthly basis with every area and aspect of the life framework. But this month we're talking about confidence for the Be a Better You annual challenge. So I thought, why not talk about confidence in supersizing our business? Because the more confident we are, the more we believe in ourselves and our ability to be resilient, handle challenges, and make them stepping stones, the more positive beliefs we have about us individually and our businesses and collectively as teams to solve problems and make things happen and interact with our ideal clients in a positive way and give them the experience they need and the products and services they want by listening to them. We'll talk about that in communication. The better able we are to serve them. Now, each and every one of us, including all of our customers and all the people we interact with, all of us human beings, have an inner voice, right? We have an inner critic, and we have an inner coach. Most of us naturally have an inner critic. Why? Because that's the way we're socialized. That's the way we're raised. That's the way we learn boundaries. That's the way we go from being children to adults, is by hearing no a lot, right? Hearing no, or that's not for you, or you can't have that, or what makes you think you can do that, which often undermines our confidence and our belief in ourselves. And so we want to make sure that we're building up ourselves, the people in our organization who are team members and helping us to build and create the business that we want to create in the world, as well as addressing those things for our ideal customers and our clients that we have already and that we want to attract to our business. There's a lot of people that have the school of thought that we should exacerbate their fears. And marketers, I'm going to talk about. I love marketers, but some of the things they do just make me cringe, and I choose not to do them. But there's a big school of thought that says, all right, identify their fears and their false beliefs, and then really work them up so that they're in a frenzy, and then solve the problem for them. You can do that. You can get people, but if that doesn't feel good to you, that's probably not a great way to market. It doesn't feel good to me. I'd rather work the positive angle to say, this is how we can make your life better, than this is how the hell that you've got going on in your life can be solved. Although people usually want their problems and challenges to be dealt with first, and then they go on to becoming a better version of themselves. So, curious, how do you deal with confidence at all in your organization? Do you address it? Do you talk about it? Do you help to, and do you have tools in your organization that you use to encourage people to be better versions of themselves, to undergo personal development, etc.? And if not, I would ask, why the heck not? Because our people are our most valuable resource. Everybody whines about how they're the most expensive and they cost your business the most, but guess what? They also have the ability to exponentially grow and build and supersize your business when dealt with as human beings want to be dealt with, right? When treated well, they will treat your business well. All right, that's all I've got today. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, share in the comments below how you adapt and use confidence, thoughts, and beliefs to build and grow and supersize your business. That way we can learn from one another. Have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.